15 Most Useful Everyday Life Hacks to Make Life Easier. Hack 1. Using a straw to remove strawberry stems. Ever struggled with removing strawberry stems without losing too much of the fruit? Here's a simple trick. Take a straw and push it up through the bottom of the strawberry. Voila! The stem pops right off, leaving you with perfectly whole strawberries ready to enjoy. Hack 2. Binder clips for cable management. Tangled cables can be a real headache. Use binder clips to keep your cables organized. Attach them to the edge of your desk and thread the cables through the clips. This keeps everything neat and prevents your cables from falling behind your desk. Hack 3. Shower cap for shoe storage. When traveling, keep your clothes clean by storing your shoes in a shower cap. The cap will contain any dirt or debris from your shoes, preventing it from transferring to your clothes. It's a simple and effective way to keep your suitcase organized. Hack 4. Coffee filter for streak-free glass cleaning. Want to achieve a sparkling, streak-free shine on your glass surfaces? Reach for a coffee filter instead of paper towels. Its lint-free texture absorbs moisture without leaving behind any fuzz or streaks. Hack 5. Chalk to prevent tool rust. If you store your tools in a toolbox, add a few pieces of chalk. Chalk absorbs moisture, helping to prevent rust on your metal tools. It's a simple trick that can extend the life of your favorite tools. Hack 6. Frozen sponge as a DIY ice pack. Running low on ice packs? Make your own with a sponge and a Ziploc bag. Soak the sponge, place it in the bag, and freeze it. It stays cold longer and molds to fit wherever you need relief. Hack 7. Shower curtain ring for closet organization. Organizing your closet can be a breeze with shower curtain rings. Simply loop them through hangers to create extra storage for scarves, belts, or even tank tops. It's a space-saving solution that keeps everything easily accessible. Hack 8. Wax paper for smooth ironing. Ironing can be smoother and faster with this hack. Place a sheet of wax paper under your ironing board cover. The wax helps the iron glide effortlessly, reducing friction and making your clothes look freshly pressed. Hack 9. Paperclip tape and holder. Tired of searching for the end of your tape roll? Secure it with a paperclip after each use. This simple trick saves time and frustration when you need to wrap a gift or seal a package. Hack 10. Tea bag shoe deodorizer. Got smelly shoes? Eliminate odors overnight with a dry tea bag. The tea leaves absorb moisture and neutralize odors, leaving your shoes fresh and ready to wear the next morning. Hack 11. CD spindle bagel holder. Running out of storage space for your bagels? Upcycle an old CD spindle. It keeps bagels fresh and neatly stacked, perfect for saving counter space and reducing kitchen clutter. Hack 12. Lemon dishwasher. Keep your dishwasher smelling fresh with this natural hack. Place a slice of lemon in the utensil basket before running a cycle. It eliminates odors and leaves dishes with a hint of citrus freshness. Hack 13. Magnetized hammer nail holder. Ever struggle to hold nails while hammering? Attach a small magnet to the base of your hammer. It holds nails securely in place, making your DIY projects safer and more efficient. Hack 14. Organizing under the kitchen sink cabinet. An unorganized under-sink cabinet can be a real mess. Use tension rods to hang spray bottles and small baskets to hold sponges and brushes. This creates more space and keeps everything easily accessible and tidy. Hack 15. Rubber band around paint can for drip-free painting. Avoid messy paint drips with this simple hack. Stretch a rubber band vertically around an open paint can. Wipe the brush on the rubber band to remove excess paint, preventing drips and keeping the can's rim clean.